Hi everyone, in this short video we'll go over how to edit an existing form in ThoughtFarmer FormFlow. So maybe you need to make some changes to a form, or you've realized that you have some unnecessary fields on your form that you would like to remove. I'll show you how to do that here today. So the first thing you will do is find your form. In this case I want to make some changes to my business card order, and we're going to click here on the ellipses option and then select edit. Now you will see that this is actually locked. I can't really make any changes here, and that is because my form is already launched. It's live on the internet. So I have to close it here first, and that just means that when I close a form, it means that people are not able to submit new entries to it. And I just want to make sure it's closed or frozen while I make changes, and then I can unlock it again later once I've done my edits. In this example, I will want to remove the company website field here. So I'm just going to go and hover over that field, click on the options here and select delete. And there it goes. And I can make some other edits here now too. So for example, maybe I want to change the order of some of these fields here. You will notice there's drag handles here, so I can easily change this headshot field and place it right after the email address field. Another thing that I might want to do is make this form available in another language. Let's say we have a lot of Dutch-speaking people here in our company. I can go ahead here now and make sure that this entire form is available in Dutch as well. So again, click to edit the field, and then you'll notice a language toggle here that I can use to provide the Dutch translation. And of course, I can do that for every single field in this particular form. Now I'm going to go ahead and relaunch my form for it to go live on the internet again. Again, you can click on preview your form first before you do that. Now that I've provided a Dutch translation for this form, you can see that I can choose to show or preview the Dutch version of my form, and that will now be available here as well. Once we're satisfied, we can now save and relaunch this form, and it will be live again with all of its edits on the internet.